Nga kay Ma'am Rose and Edward with the upcoming Philippine Cup ng 3x3 natin. May nakikita ba kayo na full potential natin na pwede tayong ipambato natin for Gilas in different competitions, especially to contribute nga sa roadmap natin ng SBP para po sa 2028 LA Olympics and in other FIBA World Cup competitions, kasi yung Gilas naka-qualify na yan for the Women's Cup. Thank you.
Thank you, Gab. Is that you?
Yes.
Gab, Gab, thank you for that question. No? That is to support yung question ni Anthony kanina. We believe, no, lalo na sa NBL, ang ang tahanan ng tunay na homegrown. Sa amin talaga, hindi kami nagpo-focus on talents dito sa Manila. Kasi we know naman for a fact that, you know, when you need good players, lagi nilang sinasabi na sa Manila yung talent. No, it's not true. That's why when we initially discussed this project, very specific ako, I wanted to invest on Region 1, especially in Pangasinan, in La Union, in Baguio. I wanted to invest in Region 2. I wanted to invest in Region 5, which is Bicol. In fact, in the recently concluded NBL President's Cup, after 8 years, we now have a new champion in the person of Tagamsor Express. So with regards dun sa question mo, Gab, to support lang din yung sagot ko kanina kay Anthony, we will definitely be producing the best of the best in all the regions where we're going to play the Philippine Champions Cup.
Si Edward, may dagdag ka pa sa sinabi ni Ma'am Rose?
Gab, nasabi na natin Ma'am Rose.
Yan.
Yun na yun.
Alright, thank you.
Any other questions, Paul?
Jam, may tanong ka pa.
If that, okay.
Hello po, I'm Aldrin from Line.